Hello everyone, I'm going to show you BRUSTRO Tabletop Box Easel. This is a painting stand. You can use this on the table. This box is so beautiful and comfortable to use. I bought this from Firstcry. This box is sturdy. It has lock clips and a soft handle. Inside there is enough space to keep all your drawing or painting material, and the partition is given. If you want, you can use it or you can take it out. You can see the wing nuts, they are easily adjustable. Let me show you how I organize my painting material. Using wing nuts, you can adjust the top part till 90 degrees angle. You can tighten it easily. You can keep your sketchbooks or drawing sheets inside the box, and easily you can carry it anywhere you go. Height is easily adjustable. You can use this for canvas board, sketchbook or drawing sheets. Hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.